So today was just one of those days when everybody wanted me to make something simple, quick, and made taste good. They wanted something smoked, so this is what I came up with. Some smoked ribs, homemade barbecue sauce, homemade potato salad, and cabbage.
So we're gonna take a cup of salt. Right here, we're gonna add about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Add about a tablespoon and a half of red crushed peppers. 2 tablespoons of onion powder. I got this granulated onion powder. About a tablespoon and a half of this coarse black pepper. 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika. Okay, so right here, I'm gonna use some of this right here. It got salt in it. This adds a little bit more sodium, but it gives it a depth flavor. About a 1/4 cup of, I got pure cane sugar. Now you're just gonna stir this all together. Get it all combined. Now we're gonna chill this to about 40 degrees. I'm gonna put mine in the freezer. Don't let it freeze.
So once my brine got to 40 degrees, I took my ribs that were trimmed and I sit in the solution for 48 hours. I got 3 racks, so I put all of them in there. And yes, it was a little full, but I managed to get them submerged, and that's the important thing, making sure all you eat is submerged. And then you wanna cover this up and put it in the fridge for at least 24 hours, but I forgot one day and left it in for an extra day, so it was 48 hours. So right here is when I took them out of the brine after 48 hours and I'm patting them dry with my towel. All right, so you wanna get them as dry as you possibly can. And right here, I'm putting my binder on. I'm using mustard. You can use mayonnaise, olive oil, anything like that. And I'm using this pork rub with apple spice. And this is my first one I'm putting on right here. So make sure you coat it real well. This is the bottom side of it. Be generous. This gives it that sweet, slightly sweet flavor. Okay, now once you get all of your ribs seasoned really good, and do be generous, because we're trying to create that dark bark on them. I love the dark bark, and I'm not gonna wrap these at all. So I'm gonna keep these on the entire way of the smoke, not being wrapped, and see how they turn out. Once you do this, you wanna put them in a wrapping paper, wrapping foil, and put them in the fridge for at least 24 hours. Put them on the smoker, and they've been on the smoker now for about 2 hours. As you can see, the color is looking good. They went about another 3 hours, and here you go. These things look amazing. Nice bark, nice texture. They were really tender as well. There's my homemade potato salad, a little bit of paprika on the top. And yes, everyone loved it. Even myself. Be sure to follow my page, like and subscribe for more videos. Butter beans.